So our job with the design phase of every commercial solar system starts with consultation with the client, and we talk about their energy bills, their energy consumption. We then approach their energy retailer to get the interval data out of their meter. So the interval data comes every 15 minutes from their meter, and then we analyse that through our software to design a system that specifically suits that customer requirements. Then we pair it up with their rates of power and design the system so that it exports just a little bit to allow for some extra growth in the business. Once we've designed all that up, then we work out if it fits on the roof. We talk to the structural engineers, and then following that, once we've got approval for all those sorts of things with the distributor network and things like that, we get the installation team in to come and complete the design. And the final step of the process is to set up the monitoring portal. We offer an online monitoring portal that comes free with every system. It'll monitor what the solar is producing and also what the site is consuming and when, which is the important bit. And that way you can analyse some of your equipment, you can make some tweaks and changes that may make some more cost savings that weren't obviously apparent at the beginning. So commercial businesses really are the sweet spot for solar. They operate during the daytime, obviously when the sun's out, when the solar can have its greatest impact. If you have a business like this one here, which is cold storage, they have a very stable energy use, which is 24 hours a day. So we try to maximise what the solar can cover in that daytime period for these type of customers.